We've got ourselves a jalapeno popper cheeseburger. Take that classic jalapeno popper appetizer and turn it into a delicious hamburger where we take cream cheese, bacon, regular cheese, put it on a patty and make a delicious hamburger. This is a great way to amplify just a basic burger in a very fun way. Stick around, we're gonna be firing up the Cuisinart Griddle while I still have it, showing you how to make a jalapeno popper cheeseburger. Let's get into it. I'm gonna bring you to the side of the griddle and do kind of a laser focused close up, showing you all the ingredients and begin to walk you step by step through making this burger and just putting it in the right order. So the rest of the scenes for the making of the burgers are gonna be a close up without me in it and just kind of talking you through the different ingredients. Well, let's prepare the jalapeno burger, all the ingredients for this. The first thing is we're going to do is slice up a jalapeno. And I like to deseed the inside because I don't like it too incredibly hot. And I don't, for this recipe, since I'm making just a few hamburgers, I'm only going to be doing just a few here. But if you're making it for a bunch of people, then you can make more, slice more. So I like to just take the insides out like that and then set these aside. We'll do these off camera. And then from here, we are going to go ahead and season the hamburgers. We've got some ribeye burgers, but if you want to, you can make your own patties, get kind of that 70-30 meat to fat ratio, or take a leftover brisket and put that together, or take some ribeyes and put this together. But just for the convenience of this recipe, buying some ribeye burgers, which I know are going to be delicious. We did this recipe a few weekends ago and it was really delicious and just really amplified a simple burger and made it really really interesting and fun. And so we've got your patties, you got bacon up to kind of get the griddle ready to go, provolone cheese, we've got cream cheese, and then a few slices of bacon, and then your jalapenos and any salt, pepper, garlic you have. This is all y'all, no sugar. Check this out if you don't have it yet. And we are ready to go. We've got this griddle on medium heat, and one side I've got completely low because we want to go ahead and render the bacon. And typically, but I needed to clean it, I like to put bacon on cold griddle to keep it flat. But at the end of the day, I'm just going to be chopping this up, so I don't really care. So we're going to get the bacon going. And then we're going to go ahead and start some jalapenos on here at the same time. And then we will start the patties here in a moment. Go ahead and flip the bacon here. It's going to cook pretty quickly. All right, team, now we're going to start making the burgers. Take some bacon up, put that in the middle. It's going to be delicious. You know, obviously you got some bacon rendering right there, but we're just going to, everything's just better with bacon or butter. And we're going to take one of these ribeyes, lay it on there. Take all y'all, season the top. Go ahead and do all these burgers for the family. All right, it's time to flip. Now while we're waiting for these burgers to cook, we're gonna go ahead and just cut up some of this bacon. So we're gonna just put some of these slices, more like chopped up bacon. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, friends, we put our provolone cheese on there. It's melted nicely. And now we're gonna take our jalapeno, or cream cheese, and And you can kind of put like 2 different little slices and blocks right on there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add the jalapenos to there. It's gonna give it a nice, just surprising flavor. Add some of that bacon on top. Trying to get it to stick to that cream cheese. I'm gonna let this melt just for probably 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna pull the patty off and then we're gonna toast the buns. All right, friends, we're gonna toast these buns. They already have a little of that bacon grease on there. It doesn't need to be on there too long. Just probably 15 seconds or so because it's so hot. Yeah, you can already see it getting good toast. Now it's time to build the burger, which is super simple. I'm gonna make up a sauce real quick. It's super easy. You can put it on the bottom of the bun or on the top bun, but we're just gonna take some mayo. Don't need a lot since I'm just gonna show you how to do this for one burger. Throw in some mayo, mustard, and a little bit of lemon juice. And you mix this up and you got yourself a great little hamburger sauce. Obviously add more to it, but this is perfect just for one burger since I'm just doing this for the video. And my kids and wife usually like their burgers pretty simple. All right. You can see that pretty good. It's a simple recipe. All right, friends, it's taste test time. Let's go for it. Oh. Dude, this is just straightforward, so simple hamburger, and just take something basic like cream cheese, bacon, and provolone cheese, or use whatever cheese you like, and slap this on a burger with your brioche buns, and it is to die for. Super simple, but yet so delicious. And then we also used our all y'all salt, pepper, garlic seasoning, no sugar in it. Definitely check that out if you haven't tried it yet. Let me know in the comments what kind of burger you enjoy. What part of this recipe do you like the most? What would you add to it to make it your own? And also let me know in the comments what kind of burgers you love. And is there a recipe I should try and put it on the channel? And friends, if you're finding value and you're getting inspiration and ideas for your own backyard, be sure to like, subscribe for more content like this. It helps our channel out. And from my backyard to yours, let's hate more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.